Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how the most important settings which will grow your YouTube channel fast. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, open your Google Chrome page. No. So first of all, make sure you have subscribed my channel and also click the bell icon for getting an update earlier. So I'm going to my YouTube channel and going to my about section and simply click on customize my channel. After I click on to customize my channel, then I will customize my channel easily. So simply add a description like I'm adding. So make sure you enter the name of your channel in your channel description. So I will write welcome to my channel. So I have written my channel name in my description, and I will write some description. So let's see, in this channel, okay, in this, wait a while, sorry, in this channel you will know how to become a freelancer or YouTuber, and also you get more information about tech. So I have write my description and simply select your country, from which country are you, and after you select your country, then simply I will show you, simply go to the YouTube studio and I will simply show you. So go to the YouTube studio, and after it loads, the YouTube studio will come. So simply I will, okay, and after you go to your YouTube studio, simply click on the settings and go to your channel settings and write the tags of your channel. And like this I have written my tags, and also you can change the settings from the advanced settings, and also you can hide your YouTube subscribers. So why people hide the YouTube subscribers? That if somebody will watch your video and he liked your video, but he saw your YouTube subscriber that you have maximum 100 subscriber, if you had, then he will not subscribe you because he knows that you have enough subscribers. So that's why the people hide the YouTube subscribers. So simply hide your YouTube subscribers, and also add a video watermark like this. So simply the people can subscribe your YouTube video, your channel, by watching the videos. So these are 3 settings which will grow your channel faster. So if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos, and also comment down below for any type of questions. So thanks for watching.